be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker or boot video. Alright, so let me go ahead and bring them in. These are the new Under Armour military boots. Okay, so I was looking to get a replacement pair of boots. Actually, the pair that I was going to get are the ones that I'm wearing right now. I was just going to get a new pair because these are starting to get a little dingy, starting to get a little beat up, so it was time for me to replace them. But when I went to the Under Armour site a week or so ago when I got these, the boots weren't on the site. So I looked around and I found these, which I found are the newer model of the Under Armour Tac Loadout boots. And these are, let's go ahead and get into them, these are the Under Armour Charged Loadout boots. Alright, got a 13 in these. Alright, let me see, colorway is brown, brown, and brown. So it's like a coyote brown, if you all can see that. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. Here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. I got these from US Patriot back in Lexington, Kentucky. Alright, shout out to US Patriot. And they do give a little bit of a military discount. Alright, so let's check them out, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pretty standard. Exactly what I was looking for. Left boot first, baby. Alright. So these are the Under Armour Charged Loadout boots. Alright, they are not steel toe boots. They are not. So if you are the kind of military member who requires steel toe boots, these ain't gonna do it. Alright, these ain't gonna do it for you. But if you work in a office position, sort of like myself, then these are going to be the ones for you. Alright, so the reason that I like these, for one, on the previous model when they were on the Under Armour website, they give you the Troop ID discount and you get like $30 off the Under Armour boots. When these come up on there, I highly suggest you do that. Normally these boots cost about $160, so you get them for $130, free shipping, no tax from the Under Armour website. Can't beat that. Alright, right now, right after I began to look up the information for this shoe, or for this boot, excuse me, I saw that the previous model is back in stock on the Under Armour website. So if you are looking for new boots, go check that out. Those cost $150 minus the $30 discount with Troop ID, $120 shipped. Can't beat it. Alright, but anyway, here you are with these. Alright, the differences are, let me take off my other boot, the current boot, so you can see a difference. Okay, so here is the new boot. Alright, you see that there's a little bit more breathability here, you know, different design going around. This kind of material, that softer material, goes a little bit further down now. It's not just in the back and on the sides and in the tongue, but it goes a little bit further down for a little bit more breathability here. But on the previous model in the tack loadout, that was not there. It's just that soft material around here. Look at the bottoms. I've worn the hell out of these. It was it was about time for these to go. I ain't even gonna lie about it. Been beating these up. Look at the front. Look at the front. I've been beating these bad boys up. It does look like, if you look at the front, it looks like this raises up just a little bit more. Maybe that was a concern, so that, you know, those of us who might drag our feet or bump into things, it won't be as bad on the front. You won't have as much wear on the front of your boots. All right, you can see that the sides are different there, here, versus that one. I really love these though. These have been my go-to for like the last 3 years, and man, they've done their job. This is actually my second pair. I went through that first pair pretty quickly, but this is my second pair. I've had these for almost 2 years now, so they held it down. Pretty durable, but it was time for an upgrade. I'm also about to move here shortly, so I wanted to start my new job with a fresh pair. All right, charged on the back. I feel like these are lighter. The charged loadout boots are lighter than the tack loadouts. Let me verify that. So I can't find the exact weight on these, but what I can find, it says these boots, for one, are a US Patriot exclusive, which is why I couldn't find them on the Under Armour website. But it does say these boots are a testament to innovation, designed to be among the lightest yet most responsive tactical boots on the market. The robust Vibram light-based TC4 Plus outsole, equipped with multi-directional lugs and mega grip on the bottom. The mega grip offers unmatched traction across diverse terrains. Crafted for durability, the boots feature a rough out full grain leather and rugged nylon upper. So that's the nylon there. And around here on the back, that full grain leather, almost in more of a suede-ish kind of feel there. All right. Ensuring stability and responsiveness under strenuous conditions. The boots also boast a fast rope compatible arc, making them ideal for a variety of tactical operations. Inside, the molded Ortholite footbed and ultralight micro G EVA foam midsole here provide unparalleled comfort and support during extended wear. These boots meet the stringent standards of the Army's guide and our Air Force AFI 362903, making them authorized for U.S. Army and Air Force wear with OCP uniforms. All right, so these are legit. I could feel the weight difference, man. So when they say that these are the lightest, these are definitely heavier. So these are most definitely lighter than the previous version. All right, man, just looking at it, this really did my job in these. All right, but mostly the same. Going around the shoe, there are slight hits like the weight and the design on the upper there. But for the most part, they're very similar. Take the paper out. Then on the inside, or the insole, this is going to be hard to see. You probably won't be able to see that, but it does say outdoor, Under Armour outdoor on the inside of these boots. All right, light. That's the main thing here. Very lightweight. Let's bring in the previous version. They are different. Yeah, they are different on the bottom. That's one thing that I like about these though, is that they are very comfortable. They're not slick on the bottom. They did have nice grip, so I'm curious to see if this grip, oh, it looks like it. This grip is going to be any better than the previous version. It does look like these, I know this is an older pair, but it does look like these are a little lighter than this version. But all in all, very similar model. Oh, okay, the 2 holes that they have there for the extra breathability, not there. They are not there on this one. Okay, so that's a change. It's a little bit subtle designs on these that make them different, but I actually think that's good, because when it's raining and you step in a puddle or something, you try to avoid it, but you step into it anyway, your foot's gonna get wet right there. On these, that's not a problem. They're not gonna be there. All right. Let me see around. Any other differences? Nope. You got your Under Armour logo on the back there. Same there. I feel like the midsole might be a little bit thicker here, which should be good for comfort. But yeah, man, I think these are legit. I think these are a win. But you know what we gotta do? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. On the left foot, I have the new charged loadout. Alright, and on the right foot, I have the previous tack loadout. Just wanted to have you see a comparison between the old model and the new model. Alright, what I can say is they fit pretty similar. You know, these are well broken in, but I do remember when I first got them, they were a little snug around here, which is what I like. I like for the boot to feel a little snug right around where the laces are. So they feel good. I will say they are a little long, so maybe you should go down half a size if you can. But yeah, in tennis shoes, sneakers, I wear a 13.5 to a 14, and boots, I go down to a 13. And these are a 13, so they feel right. They feel about right. So yeah, that's the old model, and this is the new. Looking down from the top, it looks like it's a slimmer profile boot all around. Slimmer profile. Like they toned it out. It's not as chunky, I feel, on the bottom. Alright. Let me see the grippiness. I will say it's probably a little bit more grippier on the new bottoms. If you can see that. A little more grip on the new bottoms. Step over here. Yeah, that's some good grip. That's some good grip. Yeah. To compare them, it's probably a little difficult because these are older and have been worn in, probably worn out in fact. But right now, the grip on the new boys, very nice. Alright, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes sir, now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. New boot, charge loadout, tack loadout, the old version. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. What do you all think? Do you think that the charged loadout boots are a better upgrade to the tack loadout here? You think this one's better than this? Or do you think they should have kept the shoe, the boot, the same as the previous model. Alright? I think these are pretty nice. I don't see a problem with these. I really like these a lot. That's why I've been wearing them for the last 3 years. But if this is the new model and they've made improvements, and these are definitely, man, these are definitely lighter than the previous model. So that's good. That's really good. But if these are the improvements, then that's what I'm going to rock with, because these are going to be my final pair of boots. I will not be buying another pair of military coyote brown boots after this pair unless I completely annihilate these anytime soon. So this is going to be it, and I think these will do. I think these will do for my final pair of boots. Alright? But anyway, that's going to do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.